Okay, so we have a variety of roses, some greenish blue, pastel. Then we have some pastel purples and pinks. We have some pink tulips. So these are kind of our most boss flowers right here. And then these are nice and big and fluffy too, so they have a lot of greenery. So I'm gonna actually use one of these or two of these to pick my center and the shape. So go for it, find your box, and then bam. That's it. Just go. Okay, so I have one flower facing this way. Now your arrangements are gonna be kind of circular. You don't know where people are gonna be sitting. So we're gonna kind of make one facing this way, one facing the other way. We're working with all really kind of thin stem stuff and it's not real flowers. So if you don't like where it's placed later, it's okay. Just take it out and we can fix it. Don't get stab happy though, because the foam does get tired of that. It is not mine. So if you have a really big flower on one side, it's nice to kind of try and balance it. It doesn't have to be identical, and it can be different heights. But the way to measure is, boom, is that where I want my flower? Or do you want to cut it down? Or you can also, with these, just fold the end because they're wire. It looks so much better on that. I'm down for adding some of these like green colors because we want it to look like Easter. It does help sometimes if you're more